As tensions between India and Pakistan continue to mount, New Delhi has made a chilling accusation. India claims that Pakistan is endangering the lives of its own citizens by using civilian airliners as human shields, flying them dangerously close to conflict zones. Tensions between India and Pakistan have reached a boiling point, and now India is accusing Islamabad of crossing a dangerous new line, using civilian aircraft as cover while launching drone attacks. Colonel Sophia Qureshi of the Indian Army said on Friday that while India has shut down air traffic near its western borders, Pakistan continues to operate commercial flights near active military zones. India even showed screenshots from flight tracking data proving that Pakistani civilian airliners were flying dangerously close to conflict airspace during active alerts. An act New Delhi claims is intended to shield military activity behind civilian lives.
7 मई 2025 को रात 8:30 बजे एक असफल अकारण ड्रोन और मिसाइल हमला करने के बावजूद पाकिस्तान ने अपना नागरिक हवाई क्षेत्र बंद नहीं किया। पाकिस्तान अपने नागरिक विमानों को ढाल के रूप में इस्तेमाल कर रहा है, जबकि उसे अच्छी तरह से पता है कि भारत पर उसके हमले से हवाई रक्षा की तीव्र प्रतिक्रिया होगी। यह भारत और पाकिस्तान के बीच अंतर्राष्ट्रीय सीमा के पास उड़ान भरने वाले अंतर्राष्ट्रीय उड़ानों सहित नागरिक विमानों के लिए सुरक्षित नहीं है।
India also revealed that over 300 drone incursions were detected between Leh in Ladakh and Sir Creek in Gujarat in a single night. According to Indian officials, these drones were attempting to spy on military installations.
Pakistan last night.
Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri said Pakistan's denial of these attacks was proof of duplicity, adding that Pakistan has a history of lying about military provocations. Indian Air Force officials confirmed the wreckage of these drones has been sent for forensic analysis. Initial findings suggest the drones were of Turkish origin, highlighting growing military ties between Pakistan, Turkey and China. Meanwhile, Islamabad's refusal to ground civil aviation despite launching unprovoked drone and missile attacks on May 7 has sparked international concern. India warned that unsuspecting international flights were also at risk during heightened alert periods. All of this comes in the wake of Operation Sindoor. India's retaliatory response to the April 22nd Pahalgam massacre, where 26 civilians were killed by terrorists allegedly supported by Pakistan. With Saurav Sinha, Bureau Report, India Today Global.